Let's go.
Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Tumi and I was in season 3, episode 2 of Hops and Barrels, and these are my Hops and Barrels vibes. Occasionally.
What's occasionally?
Like I just feel like when I'm in the mood. But for now I'm like I drink non-alcoholic drinks.
Non-alcoholic drinks at the moment?
Yes.
What's in the glass?
Currently I'm having some pink drink.
Is it non-alcoholic?
I think it's okay, it's gin. It's gin. So today I'm drinking because I'm on Hops and Barrels. Mm-hmm. So that's the only reason. So this is an occasion, technically. My go-to drink is Bulgaria. Anything that's gin makes me happy. Nothing else. Vodka, everything else, gin, yay.
It's gin, fam.
Just gin. Like honestly, like I can't. I've just had. I don't have my preference. I know the typical stereotype is women love wine. I'm not a fan of wine. I don't like wine, but gin is my go-to drink. Anything that's gin, I'm in. I had my first drink on my 17th or 18th birthday. So basically the people that I went to school with back then surprised me with Russian beer, a whole bottle. But I didn't even get to enjoy the experience because it was not that great. So that's the one experience I remember. And I think also my aunt bought like the guarana for like New Year's Eve. So we also had that. I didn't enjoy it that much. So I started drinking at a later stage. Probably around 22, 23, 4. Varsity vibes.
Which one is it? You said so high school. It was Russian beer.
It was just like a taste, like yay, you turned X amount, so yeah. Mm-hmm. It was just like that thing of, oh, it's your birthday. You haven't had like a taste of alcohol. But I think I started drinking proper in varsity. Mm-hmm. Going out was the influence. Yes, so it would have to be when I'm at festivals. Oh yeah. The vibe is just on another level. It's just...
Which festival?
The last festival that I went to was the Assurance Festival. So I have a friend who works at Assurance. So they were like, yo...
Assurance? I heard Asha. Assurance in the festival?
Yeah, in function. I went to the function.
Okay.
So I was a +1 and it was awesome. Yeah.
That was your best experience and insurance companies year-end function.
Like the thing is, they gave us money when we got there, so you had like unlimited access to like any type of drink that you wanted that day. So I got to taste various drinks. So I enjoy drinking or having alcohol when I'm at festivals. I think I should have said it like that. My worst alcohol experience would be, well, I made bad choices and
we all do, fam. We all do.
That resulted in like a very bad blackout. I think like from most of my drunk experiences, like usually I'm like the first person to sleep, whatever. But that day, it was just like a bad day. So I hit the fridge. I was trying to run.
You know where fridges are placed in homes. They're not placed in a space where it's easy for you to run. So
if you say you ran into the table,
I'll be like,
cool.
Run into the fridge, you need to take a corner. You need to take a corner. Okay, tell us.
So I wasn't used to like being in that person's space, obviously. So I'm on my way to the bathroom because I wasn't feeling so great. The fridge. Someone called me. Jesus was there at that moment. And luckily,
Nigga was caught by Jesus.
Jesus was there with you.
Jesus was there. Oh, my child.
Because I would have had like Google or some shit like that. But yeah, so I just basically passed out for a good 20 minutes, what felt like 5 minutes in my world. And yeah. Yeah. I think it would be like, I guess, there are drunk people who have like so much energy and it's just like all over the place. I think I don't know how to handle that type of energy and I don't want those type of people around. Aggressive, yeah, okay, going up, but people who got like a crazy energy when they like super lit, I think I can't stand those type of people.
So you prefer a lit drunk over a violent one? I mean, you prefer a violent drunk over a lit one?
Because you could easily walk away from that situation. That person is just all up in your face. Like, it's either utarile too much or they just mixed alcohol with something else. But I feel like that's overwhelming for me. Someone who's angry, they just like throw a fit and you just walk away. Chicken again.
Your studio audience agrees.
Definitely a lot of water. I also eat food as well, so that also helps me cure.
Fruits.
Yeah.
Not running like you're not alcoholics.
Stay in bed, laze around, chill, smoke something nice. 35%. I'm not quite sure. I don't know.
What was this?
Actually.
What was this?
Okay, I think I'm actually lying there. I had what's this? What's the percentage? Yeah, the khabu. AK's drink.
Cruise vodka.
Yeah, I had
vodka.
Yeah, that's the last straight that I had. 30.
No. 4-3.
Oh, okay, 43. Okay,
Yes.
so okay, 30 something.
Okay, I don't know. Let's ask the light skinned nigga, Steve.
That's the last straight I had.
43 or is it 30?
Because I can't bring it like.
He's googling it. Okay, he's googling
Yeah,
it.
because I can't say. If I say Bulgaria, then it's only 5%.
No.
Not usually.
Belgravia premix is 5. Belgravia straight is 43.
Premix, yeah. Because I usually.
It's 30%.
Really? So now you're lying because did you not have? Did I not make you drink Ancestors absinthe? No.
I never had it.
You saw that. I've only given you moonshine.
Yeah, I've only had moonshine. And
So
I forgot.
35.
35. Okay.
Yes. So really, that's the highest you've ever had. 35.
Yeah, I don't experiment. I don't really. Hi, my name is Tumi, and I was in season 3, episode 2, and these were my hops and thyrobites.
Close enough, fam.